All right, team. All right. It's Sunday evening. The trading session has already started. So I saw some things that's kind of playing out right now. So I wanted to get that to you all real quick so you can see it in real time. All right. So look, right? So here's our hour chart, still tracking GJ. And I wanted to show y'all, so I changed up my fib a little bit, so I'll go and show you all that. But I wanted y'all to see something, right? So a lot of you may remember that on Friday the session pretty much ended on a bearish note, and we were waiting for that close candle to close below this little area of support, right? So the market today, when it opened, market opened, so it had a gap opening that was right here. See this green candle right here? So that's where the open of the session was. It was a gap. So obviously it had to fill that gap. So remember that. Keep that in mind. Whenever the new trading session for the Sunday opens, typically it opens in a gap, and it's always going to go to fill that gap. We're not looking to put orders in necessarily because that gap says a lot, has a lot to do with our spread at the time. So not a good time to trade given how the spread is at the opening of the session. But I wanted you all to see this real quick. So look, all right. So remember how I was saying if it pushes past this point, and we were tracking another point at the time, but nonetheless, we're still tracking this order block right here, or let's say this support level. So we were tracking the support level. If it pushes past this support level, right, we get a close past this support level. What we're looking for is for price to come back and test this support as a new resistance level. So look, watch this. So we're on the hour chart. Let's go down to the 15 minute. I'm gonna show y'all something, right? All right, see that rejection? It's coming back. It's testing this area again. Let's go down to the 5 minute chart. Remember, we talk about top down analysis, right? All right, so look at what it's doing. See, it's coming back. This is why you don't want to get so excited in the market and you see something like that. You see those candles, because a lot of people are going to teach you that when you see that breakout, because we got breakout traders out there, right? Right? So breakout traders are going to look at that and they're going to get in the market, right? We don't know if that's a stop out move, whatever the case may be. Right now, it's way too early in the trading session to be looking to put in trades. Let the market make some moves. Let's again, we don't chase the market. We let the market come to us. Be where the market is going to be, right? Once it gets there, know what moves you're going to make. That's how we trade. We trade what we see because we're about that right here money, right? But we got to take into account, like anything else, we got to take into account the past. And in the past, the market came and it touched this area right here and it rejected and, moved on, right? So we got to see what the market is going to do, what price is going to do when it gets to this support. Is it going to really close, past this support, or is it going to reject and move back to the upside? See, right now I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish. I'm not even looking to get in the market right now. So just a little advice for you. You gotta look. Don't get so excited when you see that breakout and think that that's a move to get into the market to push down to the downside because your bias is bearish. We do not know what price is going to do when it gets to this area. Don't trade what you think, trade what you see. And I promise you, if you stick with that, trading what you see, you will be much better off. You will see your wins increase, right? Because woe to the traders that looking to get in, that got in on this breakout, and guess what? When this hour candle closes, if it's not in your direction, you're gonna be in a world of hurt because I tell you what, if it really really does reject, then it's moving on in the Bulls' favor. So again, we got to do our top down analysis, looking at what's going on the lower time frames to give us an idea of what the market may be doing. Again, we look at the hour time frame. That's pretty much where I like to trade from. It gives me a good gauge as far as distance and everything. But I look at again the lower time frames to really really see exactly what's going on in the here and now in the market. See, on the hour chart, the hour time frame, it takes time for this to develop, right? So it takes time. In an hour you're looking at 15-minute candles from the 15-minute chart, right? But if you look at the 5-minute chart, right, you got a lot more development. So the 5-minute chart is going to tell you a lot more of what's going on because the development is happening a lot quicker. That's why we look at the lower time frames to get an idea of what the market is doing right now because it doesn't take as long to develop. But again, for the most part, I look at the hour chart, for how I want to look and see the market. This is my visual of the market, but I do not use the hour chart necessarily for my trades when I'm looking to get into the market. When I'm looking to get into the market, I'm looking at my lower time frames, doing my top-down analysis. And look, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going live at 8 o'clock today. I got some other stuff for you all. We're going to look at this. We're going to see how this develops between now and then. But then I'm going to also introduce y'all to some other stuff that I found towards the end of the trading session on Friday. So I'm going to introduce some new tools to you guys and show you some good ways to use them. So I hope you found this video valuable. Just wanted to get that out to you guys real quick so you can see live what's going on in the market right now and how we react and how we place good trades and we don't chase the market. All right, good day, traders.